Hello my beautiful people. Now let's make some honey garlic chicken breast. So guys, here we have 3 pieces of beautiful, sexy and juicy chicken breast. Now I'll be seasoning that with my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And I'm just going to distribute that season all over my breast and go inside those little pockets, yeah. Just making sure it's very flavorful, guys. Now I'll also be using some paprika. Now I'll be using a basting brush and I'm just going to baste the top and the bottom with that honey garlic sauce, just making sure that I'm not brushing it, but you know, just tapping lightly on it because you don't want to brush the seasoning off. So okay guys, I'll be gently laying those on my baking tray and I'll be baking those at a temperature at 180 degrees Celsius, and I'll be baking those for about 15 minutes because I'm going to be removing them and basting them once more with my honey garlic sauce, then putting them back in the oven and bake them for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. So the maximum time is about 30 to 35 minutes. So okay guys, while my chicken's in the oven, I'll be making my sides, which is my seasoned potato wedges. And for my seasoned potato wedges, I'll be using some orange and green bell pepper, some red onion, olive oil, black pepper, paprika, Old Bay season, and a little bit of Parmesan Herb season. And that's all you need, guys. You're just gonna toss that together, put it in your baking tray, and bake that in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're tender. Okay, now guys, that it's halfway cooked, I'll be basting it for the second time, then putting it back in the oven for an additional 15 minutes until it's fully cooked. So guys, our honey garlic chicken breast is out of the oven. It's fully cooked, it's beautiful, it's juicy, it's delicious. I thank you guys so much for stopping by for yet another amazing video. I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.